In this video, we're going to be installing some new levers on the Project SSR. The clutch lever on this is broken, and I just figured I'd get some matching ones. So we got these chrome boys. Alright, so we come here and remove these bolts.
Alright, so we come here and remove these bolts.
And that shit just pops right off. And then you get this new one and you put it on the same way that you took it off. So that goes right there. This comes, and you drop it. And this is apparently up, so. So we'll get these started.
And just tighten them down to your angle of working. Try to do it evenly on both sides, so that's a gap. Just even on both sides. And there you go, you have to let it on.
But we're gonna have to go through here and get this little piece off, which just comes out like that, slips into the groove. So to get it to fit over that, I just undid this. I took it out of its slot, so it loosened up top. Why are you walking away so damn much? And now you can slide this all in there and get it tightened down inside of it. And come over here. And then you can put this thing back into its slots. There you go. And then you can just adjust it by tightening, or actually loosening this bolt here, tightening that against it, and your clutch should be engaging. Get a shot of this thing moving. To play around with it and get it to exactly how you like. And what's good about these breakaway levers is that you can change the travel distance so you can get the right feel. Next up is the brake, and this should be simpler because you don't have to try to connect a cable to it. It's just this bolt. There's a bolt on the bottom. So you just go ahead and loosen that bolt.
I know, this way, right?
Mm-hmm. It's on the bottom that you gotta get another wrench for. They're both 10 millimeters. And then I'm gonna pull that out. And that just comes right out, and this is comes with it. So get rid of that garbage. Slide that new lever into place that does not even fit in there. So in this instance, this won't fit into there because it's raised up. So we're either gonna hammer it in or file it if we need to. All right, so we did a little filing on that and hammered it in. Well, I guess it fits now then. So we managed to get both of the new levers on and functioning. However, I broke something, but that's okay because this assembly is already broken. That glass is cracked, so it was leaking. I was thinking about replacing it anyway, so that just gave us a reason to. Front brake still works though, just one of those things.